surfing. With hella big drinking and twerking. Don't post on stories, my shorty be lurking. Can't stop the grind for no bitch, ain't worth it. Go to Milan for the week of the fashion. Addicted to dressing, I drip with a passion. Yo nigga know I'm that nigga, just ask him. Look at the diamonds, they hitting, they dancing. I'm from the trenches, I learned how to hustle. I get the cabbage, the lettuce, the bustle. I make $1 million, the triple, the double. Upgrade the Glock with a laser and muzzle. I'm on a whole nother level, I'm geeky. You think you fucking with me, boy?
What?
Your father, you said he's still alive.
Yeah. Oh. Who are you?
I'm on a whole nother level,
Yo, I'm Chris. Welcome to the first video of the channel. My brothers and sisters. I don't know why I'm looking over here. Probably because it's like 6, it's like 7 something. But what's going on, everybody? My name is Chris. Welcome. I will usually say Dewey, but my name is Chris. Welcome to the first Mukbang. The Grimace Happy Birthday Shake. Let's get started. It looks like a slushy. Hey. This is actually good. Hold on. Why do I do milk names? I don't know. My family in the background listen to Michael Jackson. I don't know how to deal with that. This is good. Got a little bit of birthday cake on it. It's good. It's good. It's actually good.